Price elasticity of supply. First off, what is the definition of price elasticity of supply? Well, price elasticity of supply simply represents the responsiveness of a firm to changes in price. To quickly provide some background, the law of supply states that as price goes up, so does quantity. In other words, they have a positive correlation. This means that price elasticity of supply is a measure of how skilled or how efficient a firm is at reacting to a change in price with a change in quantity. The formula is very simple. It is simply the percent change in quantity supplied over the percent change in price. And this will give you a coefficient, which is just a ratio of these two percentages. The value of this coefficient can tell us multiple different things. If the coefficient is less than 1, it means that the change in quantity supplied is less than the change in price, and that means that the supply curve is inelastic. If the percent change in quantity supplied and percent change in price are exactly the same, it means it is unit elastic. And if the percent change in quantity supplied is greater than the percent change in price, the coefficient will be greater than 1, and the supply curve is elastic. These are what these different terms will look like if you were to graph them. So you can see the inelastic supply curve is more upward sloping, and the elastic supply curve is less upward sloping, and the unit elastic is exactly perfectly upward sloping at a 45-degree angle. Now we move on to a practice problem to test what you've learned. The problem is to find the price elasticity of supply of this graph from $3 to $6. Then determine if within this specified range the supply curve is elastic, inelastic, or unit elastic. I'll give you a brief moment to pause, figure it out, and then reveal the answer. All right. So the answer to this question is as follows. The price of milk rises from $3 to $6, which means that the percent change in price is 100%. The percent change in quantity supplied is 200% because it rises from 100 to 300. And then if we were to put 200 over 100, the price elasticity coefficient is 2, which is greater than 1, which makes the supply elastic. And that's the end. There you go. It's pretty simple, straightforward. If you have any questions, reach out to me through email or on my phone number, or you can check out my website. But that's it. Hope you enjoy my pretty great invention.